What's up, everyone? My name is Colin, and I'm here to talk about our immigration through this podcast with you folks out there. I am completing an activism project for my CIA, or Citizens in Action class, which is like social studies for 12th graders, and this is my product. We have a lot of immigrants from all over the world that come to the United States but don't want to become a full citizen for our culture. There's a lot of awesome opportunities for legal immigrants to explore for those who have visa, green cards, etc. We have awesome schools, universities, jobs, and you get a lot more civil rights in the USA depending on what your home country is struggling on right now. Here are some vocabulary words that give details as to how an immigrant can stay in the USA and benefit from what this fine country has to offer. We got work visa, which a visa is an official document or stamp placed in your passport that allows you to enter, stay in, or leave a country for a specific purpose and time period. Permanent resident. A permanent resident is a person who has been legally allowed to live and work in a country indefinitely, but is not a citizen of that country. A naturalized citizen. A naturalized citizen is someone who was born in another country but later becomes a citizen of their new country through a legal process called naturalization. Green card holder. A green card holder, also called a lawful permanent resident, is someone who is legally allowed to live and work in the United States permanently but is not a U.S. citizen. Student visa. A student visa is a type of visa that allows an individual to travel to another country to study in an accredited educational institution. It is typically issued for the duration of the academic program the student is enrolled in. Wow, that was a lot of information. Don't worry, you won't have to memorize it. The next topic I'm going to discuss with you guys is why people want to become American citizens just like us, because we live in one of the best countries around the world. America is considered a melting pot, which means we are all Americans, yet we have different ethnic backgrounds from all over the world. So people can find other people with similar backgrounds here, which have maintained their culture as well as the American culture. For example, I have an Italian-American friend who celebrates both Italian customs and American customs. So some of the Italian customs which are celebrated are centered around religious and in Italy and food, such as seven fishes, Christmas Eve, seven churches, Feast of St. Joseph's, March, where we feed the poor. We make our own tomato sauce, homemade spaghetti, as well as many Italian cookies. But he also celebrates American holidays and traditions, which is great. Right about that you can maintain your national ethnic background and still become an American. An American can live and learn from many people from different ethnic backgrounds. America is a pot of a variety of people, which makes it a very diverse place to live. Everyone is accepted here. All right, guys, well, that's gonna be it for this first episode. If you stay tuned for episode 2, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for the second episode. Peace out.